Well, everybody, it's the last day of the week, the first week of the third 6 weeks, and we are just finishing up the last of the core exams, which is Module 9, Material Handling. If you guys haven't made it in yet, or else you didn't get scheduled, or somehow we're going to have to figure out a way to close the book on core once and for all for this group. But in the meantime, for you guys that made it in, did a good job. Thank you for coming in and doing a good job and working real hard to get it done. A lot of guys about to get their core certifications. If you're close and haven't got it, make sure that you get with me because I'm buttoning up the files and shipping them off next week, and it'd be a shame to miss out. So stay tuned for Monday next week. We're going to start putting a little bit of the welding one certification material online. We're going to be creating file systems for the welding one students and moving over stuff into those files. It might need for each of you to fill out one or two more forms ASAP in order to close up the core thing and get your welding one file set up. That's going to be determined. I'll probably get you guys to come in sometime next week for the last time for core and talk about what we need to get going on here for the welding certs. So congratulations on your core certifications. You guys have been great. Been a tough road getting all this done, and while we build this weld shop at the same time, a lot of guys have put in a lot of work, and I want you to know how much I appreciate and respect the guys that are in here doing the hard work, the hard nasty work. I mean, we're painting stuff, we're cutting stuff, we're cleaning dirty stuff. I mean, this welding shop is gonna be one that you can be proud of. The guys that are here know it, and the guys that haven't had a chance to see it yet or work in it yet, you're in for a treat. And the guys that are putting it together are getting a lot of valuable experience working in the shop, not just welding, but doing a little bit of everything. It's just been quite an experience, and it's been good for all of us. We've got a lot of ownership in this bad boy. So I hope you guys have a great weekend, make good choices, and I look forward to seeing you on Zoom.